Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14, and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Grade 5 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 3, Question number 1. Which of the following are prime numbers? So what are the prime numbers? Prime numbers are those which has only two factors. That is 1 and the number itself. So check option A. 2 has only two factor, 1 and 2 only. 5 has only two factor, 1 and 5 only. But 9 has three factors. That is 1, 3 and 9. So A cannot be the answer. Here we will check with the 6. So 6 has more than two factors. That is your 2 and 3. Cannot be the answer. Third one, 4 is a composite number. It is not a prime number because it has 2 as the common factor. But 2 has two factors, 3 has two factors only, and 5 has two factors. So option D, first answer is option D, which has only prime numbers. Question number 2. What least number should be subtracted from this so that the number becomes exactly divisible by 5? Any number or any big number can be exactly divisible by 5 if its ones place will be 5 or 0. Okay, here we can see ones place is 7. To just make it 5. So to make it 5, we will subtract it with 2, then it will be your 5. So least number will be your 2. That is in the option number D. Second answer is option D. Third one. Find the smallest number that is divisible by both 225 and 625. So to find the smallest number which is divisible by the given set of number, we will find out the LCM, lowest common multiple. So 2 to 5, 6 to 5. Take the common factor as 5. We will take all the prime common factors. So 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are, now 5 1s are, 5 2s are, 5 5s are. Again, we can take 5, 5 9s are, and 5 25s are. Okay, now is there any more common factor? No. So LCM will be your 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 25. So if we will multiply it, 5 5s are 25 and 25 25s are 625 and 625 multiplied by 9 equal to 5 6 2 5. So 5625 is the number which can be divisible by 225 and 625 both. Option B is the answer. Third answer is option B. Question number 4. Which of the following sets contains all the prime numbers between 1 and 20? So just write all the numbers between 1 and 20. So that is your 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. Sure. Okay, now using Aristotle's sieve, uh, we know that 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 4 is a composite number divisible by 2, 5 is a prime number, 6 is a composite number divisible by 2, 7 is a prime number, 8 is composite number, 9 is also composite, 10 is composite, 11 is a prime number, 12 is a composite, 13 prime, 14 composite, 15 composite, 16 composite, 17 prime, 18 composite, 19 prime, 20 composite. So numbers are here to where it is available. Just check. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. It is in the option B. The fourth answer is option B. Okay, come to the question number 5. What least should be added this number such that the resulting number becomes a multiple of 4? Using the divisibility rule of 4, if the last two digit 98, matlab last two digit will be divisible by 4, then the whole number will be divisible by 4. But 98 is not divisible by 4. So what we should add? The least number will be 2. If it will be 100, then 100 is divisible by 4. The whole number will be divisible by 4. That least number is 2. You have to check the just last two digit. Last two digit will be divisible by 4, means whole number will be divisible by 4. Fifth answer is option B. Question number 6. Which specific term is used for the number whose sum of all the factors except the number itself is equal to the number? That specific term, if sum of all the factors except the number, if sum of all the factors will be equal to the number, then it is known as perfect. 6 option A. Question number 7. Find 5 multiples of 2, 3, 8, 4. So how can we find 5 multiples? So 2, 3, 8, 4 multiply by 1. 2, 3, 8, 4 multiply by 2. 2, 3, 8, 4 multiply by 3. 2, 3, 8, 4 multiply by 4. And 2, 3, 8, 4 multiply by 5. So you can see 2, 3, 8, 4 first 5 multiples. Acha, other than this, we cannot take 1, we have to take the till 6. So 2, 3, 8, 4 multiply by 6. Okay? So 2, 3, 8, 4 multiply by 2, it will be your 4, 7, 6, 8. Okay? It is multiply by 3, it will be your 7, 1, 5, 2. Multiply by 4, it will be your 9, 5, 3, 6. Next, it will be your 1, 1, 9, 2, 0. Then 1, 4, 3, 0, 4. Okay? It is available in the option number D. The seventh answer is option D. Question number 8. If two numbers have only one common factor, the numbers are called, if there is only one common factor, that is 1. So this is known as co-prime numbers. Relatively co-prime numbers. Eighth answer is option D. Question 9. Add the first three common multiple of 8 and 12. First three common multiple of 8 and 12 and find the least number should be added to it so that it becomes a multiple of 11. Okay. So first find the multiple of 8 and 12. LCM of 8 and 12. You can find out it will be 24. So first three common multiple will be 24, 48 and 72. Okay? Add these three. After addition, you will get, after addition of these three, you will get 144. So which number we will add to 144 so that it can be divided by, completely divided by 11. Okay? So just divide 144 divide by 11. 1s are 11. Now 3, 4 11 threes are 33. Remainder 1. So required number will be your required number equal to 11 minus 1. That is your 10. 10 is the number if you add in it. So it will be divided by 11. Ninth answer is option D. Question number 10. Which one of the following is not a composite number? Not a composite number. 92 is an even number, so it cannot be a prime number. Matlab, it will be a composite number. 97. 97 is a prime number. It is not a composite number because it can be divisible by 1 and 97 only. 104 is the even number. It will be a composite number. All the even numbers are composite number except 2. 57. 57 can be divided by 3. So it will be also a composite number. The 10th answer is option B. 11. Which one of the following sets has contained all the factors of 40? So write the factors of 40. 1 is the factor, 2 will be the factor, 3 cannot be its factor. Use the divisibility rule. 4 factor, 5 can be the factor, 6 cannot be the factor because for dividing with 6 completely, 2 and 3 must be the factor of that number. So 5 cannot be the factor, 5 will be the factor, 6 cannot be the factor, 7 cannot be the factor, 8 can be the factor. Now we found the rainbow है ना. Now we don't need to check 9, 10, 11. Now just make the pair using the rainbow method. We can find the next factors. So 5 8s are 40. Now 4 10s are 40. Now 10 2 20s are 40 and 1 40s are 40. ठीक है. So where it is 1 2 4 5 8 10 20. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 20, 20, 40. All the factors are available in option D. 11th answer is option D. Okay. Question number 12. 15 is the factor of this number. This number is the factor of this number. How can we check? By dividing it. So 4, 3, 3, 5. Let's divide it with 15. If it is completely divisible, then it will be the factor. Let's check it. 3, now 1, now 3 will come down. So 15. Now read the table of 15. 8 times. So 1, 2, 0, 3, 1, 0. Now 5 will drop down. 15 nines are. Okay. 2, 8, 9 and we found the remainder as 0. So yes, it will be divisible by 15 means it is the factor of 15 is the factor of this number. Option A. 12th answer is option A. Question number 13. Find the common multiple of 7 and 9. So common multiple means the number which can be divisible by 7 and 9 both. So 7 and 9 are the co-prime number. You can see there is only one common factor, that is 1. So the LCM of the co-prime number is the product of this number. LCM equal to 7 multiplied by 9, that is your 63. It is available in the option A. 13th answer is option A. Question number 14. How many factors does 50 have? To count the factors, write the factor of 50. 1, 2, 3 cannot be. 50 cannot be divisible by 4 also. 5 will be. Now 6 cannot be. 7 cannot be. 8 cannot be. 9 cannot be. Now 10. So 10 5s are 50. We found the rainbow. We have to just find the pair now. 2 25s are and 1 50s are. How many factors are there? 3. 6 factors. The 14th answer is option C. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.